Hello and welcome to another video. For those who see my face for the first time, my name is Daniela, and those who already know me, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make together this lovely Kanzashi flower with feathers. We will need a grosgrain ribbon of two widths. This brown one is 4 centimeters wide and these two gray ones are 5 centimeters wide. Next we need some sharp scissors, lighter, glass rivelet. This one has 1 centimeter in diameter, glue gun, a multifunctional component. It's a hair clip and a pin combined together, and of course some feathers, tweezers and a clip. First we prepare all the petals and then we glue them together. So we cut 8 4 centimeter squares, 8 5 centimeters light gray squares and 24 dark gray squares. It's not necessary to measure it, so I just fold it like this and cut it according to this line. First I make these brown petals, so I take one square, fold it to half, grab it with my tweezers like this, fold it again, turn around and fold it for the last time, like this. Now I grab it with my tweezers here, cut the excess and heat seal it and squeeze it with my tweezers. Now we cut the bottom, so I grab it approximately like this, cut the bottom and heat seal it very well. We need all the layers to connect and squeeze. And now I open the petal like this. I need 8 of these petals a total, so I make another one. Now we have 8 brown petals and we can make these gray layered ones. It's a little bit more complicated than the previous ones, but not so much. We take light gray, fold it to half. Now we take the dark gray, fold it too, and put on top of each other like this, and fold it. And fold this light gray and fold it together. I put my pin here and put it on the side, and now I take another dark gray and fold it again and fold it for the last time. Now I take this layered petal, remove the pin and put this one inside. And now we cut the excess and heat seal the edges. Now we cut the bottom and heat seal it again. And voila, the petal is finished. We need 8 petals of this type of total, so we make another 7 the same way. Now we have 8 of these layered light and dark gray, and we can jump right into this simple dark gray. They're very easy to make. I will show you. So I take the dark gray square, fold it to half, grab this corner, fold it again, flip it, and fold it for the last time. Now I grab the corner with my tweezers like this, trim the excess, heat seal the edge, squeeze it a little bit, and now we cut the bottom. And heat seal it again. And that's all. I think that these ones are pretty simple to make. So we also made 8 of these. We have all the petals we need, and now we glue it all together. So I heat up my glue gun. I'm going to start with these brown ones. I take 2 of them and I will glue them together like this, and then I add here and here to make a cross. So I put some glue here, just a little bit, and glue them together, hold it for a while. Now I take another petal, put some glue here on this edge, and place it right here. Don't worry if the glue is visible here, it's no problem because we add a reveal here. Just in a while. Now we take another petal, put some glue on the top, and place it to make a cross. And we have 4 brown petals left, so we place them into this space. I like to do it from the bottom. And my puck came here, so if you hear some strange noise, it's him. So the center is finished, and now we glue these layered ones into these gaps from bottom like this. So I put some glue on the top here and place it from bottom to the gap and squeeze it and hold it for a while. Yeah, my puck is snoring. I don't know if you will hear it in the video, but he can make some pretty scary noise. And the second layer is finished. Now we make the last, third layer, and again we put the petals into these gaps like this. So I put some glue on top here and place it to this gap. And the last one. All the petals are glued, so we can glue also the feathers. I'm going to arrange them. I chose such a green, it has very nice reflections, light brown to match the flower in the middle, and the polka dots because I just like it. I put some glue here and place the feathers and let it cool down. Now I trim the rest of the feathers. And I take my rivoli, put some glue to the center of the flower, just a little bit, not so much, be careful with that. And now I place the rivoli into this gap. Yeah, it looks very nice. Flip it again, and now I take my multifunctional component. It has a pin and a hair clip, so you can choose what do you want to use. And I put some glue into this cap and place it on the back of the flower and let it cool down. And now the flower is completely finished. I think it looks very nice, very elegant, but at the same time it is a bit extravagant due to its size. If you like my tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and see you next time. Bye!